Welcome. So this is my Artie Katz postcard book. I'm going to use it in this ATC that I'm going to show in this video. Oh, there's Van Gogh's room with a cat in the bed. I forget which artist that is, and the artist I'm going to use, I don't know which artist that is. I've already cut it out, so I'm ready for the ATC there. And that's one of the old masters. So it's a really cute book. And this is going to be very simple. ATC, very short video, just simple collage. And June 3rd, and this I know will not be published on June 3rd, but June 3rd, which I believe I'm going to be publishing this on June 4th, June 3rd, among other things, was National Egg Day. So that gave me the inspiration for this card, with the bird's nest on the cat's head. And that's inspired by an artwork that I did earlier this year when I had a solo iPad digital art show, which I'm going to show right now. So that was the promotional poster. It was an online solo digital art show, which I create all my digital artwork on my iPad Pro, with the bird's nest on the woman's head as being a festive image for springtime. Well, it was called Spring Fever. That was the title of that. So I thought it needed something else, so that's why I had the silhouette of the bird. And I have printed these out from pixabay.com, where you can get royalty-free images which can be used for commercial use and no attribution is required. So when I do use images off the internet, that's where I get them from, and then I print them on my printer, inkjet printer. So super simple ATC for this day. Oh, my fingernails, that's left over from June 1st, which was National Nail Polish Day. And many people think that there's only one national day per day, but actually there's many. Like day one, June 1st, a lot of people think it was National Donut Day, which it was, but it was also National Nail Polish Day, and it was also National Say Something Nice Day, among some other things too. And June 3rd was National Egg Day, but it was also a few other things, but I just chose that one. And now I'm just using the distressed ink to kind of make the edges look more vintage. And it got smeared there. Well, it got too much there because glue was still there, and then it reacted with the glue, and a glob. There was a glob I was trying to smear away or clean up. So my future ATC cards for this 30-day challenge are going to represent a wide variety of mediums, so including collage, which was today, but I'll be doing watercolor, probably stenciling, jelly printing, stamping, probably maybe even some encaustic, which is hot wax painting with beeswax. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, or subscribe, and have a great creative day.